Listen, I know you've seen the title and the thumbnail, and it's time to get busy again in this kitchen. I'm gonna show you guys how to make garlic Parmesan chicken meatloaves. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, so to get started, we're gonna talk about what we're using for today's recipe. Back here we have ground chicken. If you wanna use ground beef, of course you can, but we're gonna switch it up with our ground chicken. I got some Italian bread crumbs here, some black pepper, seasoned salt, milk, Parmesan cheese, freshly grated, finely chopped parsley, 1 egg, grated mozzarella, oregano, crushed garlic cloves, olive oil. That's all you need. Let's get to it. All right, so in this step, we're gonna start preparing our meatloaf, and we're about to add about 95% of our ingredients right here in this step, which makes it really, really easy. We're gonna start out by adding our Parmesan cheese, our breadcrumbs, parsley, our crushed garlic, our egg, oregano, seasoned salt, and our black pepper. You can go in with your hands or a spoon. It's totally up to you. I'm going in with my hands. Get this mixed together. The next thing we're gonna do is add our milk. And guys, you don't wanna skip this step because ground chicken can dry out faster than ground beef. So this is gonna help it keep it moist, all right? And we're gonna go back in with our hands and get this mixed in. All right, let's continue. So next we're gonna start preparing our loaves. I'm just gonna use a measuring cup, using a cup. I wanna get like at least 4 loaves out of this, and I should be able to get 4 loaves out of this. I'm gonna take a cup like that, and you're just gonna shape this into a loaf. You know, you could do them round if you want to. It's totally up to you. I want mine to be a little bit like an oval shape, kind of like that. You know, kind of like a meatloaf, pretty much. That's what you're doing. We're gonna sit that baby right there. All right, we're gonna do the rest, and we're gonna come back. All right, so I was able to get 4 loaves, but in this pan, this baking dish, I was only able to make fit 3, so which is fine. I'll cook the other one later. We're just now gonna take our olive oil, and again, you don't wanna skip this step either, because this is gonna help add some moisture to the chicken loaves. So just sprinkle this with a little olive oil. All right, so make sure you already have your oven preheated to 375 degrees. We're gonna stick them in here and let them cook for 25 to 30 minutes until the internal temperature is around internal temperature is around 165, all right? Let's get them in the oven. All right, so they've been in there for 25 minutes, and the last 5 minutes, if you want to add your mozzarella, you can, it's totally optional, but we're gonna add our mozzarella for our last 5 minutes. If you want that gooey, cheesiness, you already know, guys, we like that. We like stuff cheesy over here. Just gonna add some of that mozzarella here. All right, so we're gonna get this back in the oven for the last 5 minutes, and we're gonna come right back. Now, this is what we have after the final 5 minutes. See, we got that baby looking all cheesy. So next we're gonna put the final touches on it and then get it plated up and then let it rest so those juices can redistribute throughout the meat, all right? Guys, we're gonna take some of that green stuff and do what we do. And there you have it, garlic Parmesan meatloaves. I know you're gonna leave what you think about this in the comment section below. I can't wait to read it. Let's let this rest for 5 minutes, then we're gonna jump into quality control. Like I say, you want those juices to redistribute throughout that meat, and you allow that to happen by letting it rest. It gets more juicy, more flavorful. Guys, you're gonna love it, all right? I'll see you in quality control. All right, this quality control, and we've let these babies rest for about 5 minutes. I can't wait no longer. We're gonna bring them to the front of the congregation. Guys, take a look at this. Oh man, Let's go ahead and dig into one of these babies. Oh, man. Oh, man. Let's get to it. Oh, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. And I know y'all already asking, what you gonna eat it with? What you pair it with? Now you can pair it with some mashed potatoes, some rice, some broccoli, whatever you want, man. It really all depends on you. Me, I got some mashed potatoes in there that I'm about to whip up real quick, because these gonna go good with the mashed potatoes, guys. So until then, remember, oh, hold on, let me get another piece. This thing is delicious. Oh, man. So until then, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, him not a chef. He just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.